Shaping the future of audio and creating unique sound experiences for consumers. Our next guest, they've been doing that for a long time. We've been fortunate a couple of times to have their CEO on the show. He wasn't available today, but that's okay because the product manager for Sennheiser is Sebastian Rodens, and I'm sure you will do as good a job. We'll promote you to CEO. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, and I'll do my best.
Oh, very good. Oh, and look at that. He's on Sennheiser headset microphones, as we are, because that's what we use for many years on our remote broadcasts around the world. So when he put them on, he goes, oh, these sound good.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think they do. Tell me what you're doing here at IFA. What are you showing?
We're showing a new headphone, basically our new flagship model, which is a new Momentum Wireless.
Oh.
So third generation of the Momentum headband products, noise cancelling headphone, and I mean the main picture, it sounds amazing.
Yeah.
And we believe it's the best sounding Bluetooth headphone to date. But it also packs a lot of nice features that will, just make using it very easy.
Such as, because of course we talk a lot over the years, the last several years on the show about Bluetooth headphones and earbuds and headsets and so forth. And I mean, these right away, I'm impressed with the soft ear cushions. So you want to wear them on a long flight, your ears aren't going to hurt afterwards. It seems very, very comfortable. And no doubt with Sennheiser, good sound quality. So what other features might this offer?
So we wanted really to achieve that people can use them without ever reading a manual. And they have to be really intuitive. So one of the things they do is they actually turn on and off by folding them. So if you fold them,
really?
they actually turn off. And if you unfold them, they turn on.
And there you go. The power light just went out.
Yeah.
So, all right. And then unfold them. And not that he's lying, but check it out. There you go. The LED just came on that they're now powered back up. Now, that's a thing that sounds to me like common sense, but I don't know of anybody else that does that.
I think we're
Maybe
the only one. We have two headphones that do that. So, yeah.
That's awesome. I mean, something that simple. And then they come with a nice case as well.
Yes, yeah.
So, with, of course, the Sennheiser logo. Well, let me get these out of the way so you can see. What a lovely case, even. And they're going to be well protected and easy to carry on those long flights or whatever the case.
Exactly.
And that's kind of and this is the same model but a different color combination?
Yes, we offer them in two models. The black one is actually available from today. And in November, we will also then have the sandy white version, as we call it.
Sandy white.
Yes.
I like that. Being from Miami, we can relate to the sandy part. And I just had to fold them and unfold them to see that they powered back up again. So that was very good. And you say that you've talked about availability. Do we have a price yet?
Yeah, €399.
Okay,
yeah.
Which is about the same, more or less, kind of as U.S. dollars, right?
About the same, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Well, the dollar's doing fairly well these days, so figure around $400, and I think they'd be in good shape. You guys talk about augmented audio combined with mixed reality, too. What is that about?
Yeah, we're working, we have done a collaboration with a company called Magic Leap, where we have done some kind of headphones for their AR glasses. So people that have the glasses or develop on these, they can have our AR1 headphones, and then they can not only experience the nice visuals from the glasses, but also kind of have the full kind of 3D audio experience coming from our headphones.
Oh, very cool. And then the Ambio Soundbar, is that something else that's just introduced here at IFA?
No, we have that. Actually, we're selling that already this year. We've shown it a few times, also last IFA. But it's a pretty impressive soundbar with 3D audio sound and great sound quality. And we're demoing it here again, so it's extremely well received. It's a very, very nice piece of kit.
Good. And of course, soundbars have understandably become so important to the TV experience in general, because no matter how good a TV you might end up with, it's just the audio just isn't always there. The overall quality. Adding a soundbar, a good one like a Sennheiser soundbar, makes all the difference in the world in helping with your entertainment.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this is just something, but people don't want to have a lot of speakers anymore. They understand, like, if they just put something beneath their telly that just helps the sound get better, they're already happy. And we just wanted to take that up a notch. So just not only give something that's okay, but really basically have the full experience of a full surround or kind of 3D audio set but in the soundbar.
Yeah. And if you've never experienced a soundbar, as you mentioned, people are plugging it in and going, "Oh, that's nice. That's better audio." It's nothing compared to a good quality soundbar.
Absolutely.
And you mentioned the whole surround sound enhanced opportunity too. It makes a huge difference. And unfortunately, we all watch way too much television. So you want it to sound good, and the picture's only half of it. So it's got to sound good and look good at the same time. And real quick, back to the headphones, we get a lot of listeners that talk about the potency of noise canceling.
Yeah.
You guys certainly spent a lot of time concentrating on that as well. Some noise canceling headphones, you flip a switch and it's like, yeah, there's some kind of a difference. But others, and I'm sure the Momentum series as well, are pretty remarkable difference. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it actually goes very much along with the comfort. So the soft ear cushions go a long way, so that they already kind of seal the ear very well. And then, of course, it's our noise cancelling technology, and we're not doing it for the first time. So we had some few go around, so we're getting better and better. And also, this is true for this model. So I think we achieved something like in a headphone like this we haven't done before. You can turn it on and off. You can have it, either way. Sometimes people just want to switch it off quickly when they're at home and they don't need it. Yeah. You can also choose between different modes. So we have the normal noise cancellation. We have anti-wind. So some noise cancelling headphones, they don't work if it's windy outside. So we've taken care of that with a mode. And then we have a mode called anti-pressure. This is just if you need a softer noise cancellation. So this is available in the headphone, and it does that. It's part of the sound quality, the sound experience. Sure. It doesn't only have to sound good, which we think it sounds the best, but also the noise cancelling is a very big part of it. It does that.
And you don't always have to use the full highest level of noise cancellation. Perhaps you're on an airplane and you want to cancel out that engine noise or the passenger next to you that won't be quiet or whatever. There are times when that's very handy. But as you say, some other environments you just put a first level of noise cancellation and you're quite content. You're still hearing your tunes.
Yeah, absolutely. Because I think people are using these headphones now everywhere. It's typical, originally we were invented really for using them in planes, and then they became more portable, so people use them for commute, but now people using them at home. A lot of our customers live in very urban areas, so they have loud neighbors, they have a street right outside their window, so they're just enjoying these headphones to give them a bit of quiet, cocoon them at home. So yeah.
Love it. If for no other reason than your loud neighbors. There you go. You heard it on Into Tomorrow. But there are all the other reasons as well. Check out Sennheiser.com, Sennheiser.com. We'll get you there too when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. Sebastian, thanks so much for spending a few minutes with us. We'll let you get back to your very busy exhibit here at IFA.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
It's our pleasure. Intotomorrow.com, Sennheiser.com for all the goodies that Sebastian and his team are regularly working on. And in the meantime, we'll look for you at intotomorrow.com. Stay tuned. Much more from Berlin, Germany. I'm Dave Graveline. This is the Advanced Media Network from IFA.